Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect GOG to Steam to easily manage your entire game library from GOG. So if you've tried installing GOG by default, you probably noticed that the connection with Steam doesn't work. Don't worry, I show you how to fix that in a simple way. First, make sure GOG is closed, then go to the video description to copy the command I'll provide. Press Windows plus R, paste the command and press enter. You'll be redirected to the steam_ca folder, delete everything in there. Next, go to the GitHub page called Galaxy Integration Steam, click on the latest released, and download Windows with installer.zip folder. Unzip this folder using 7-zip or WinRAR, then click on autocopy windows.bat. This should open a command prompt. Once the loading bar reaches 100%, open GOG and log into Steam, and everything should work.